Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2017 Landrover Discovery. Two ways of getting to it. From the home screen, either click on the sat-nav there or the arrow here. We'll click on the arrow. Now, there's no way of putting the address you want in there, but there are these 6 boxes here. So click on there, type an address or search, destinations, type an address. United Kingdom, yes, that's what we want. We want city, town or postcode. And then this keyboard comes up. So P, R. Now we need numbers. So the numbers are there, 1, 2, 3, 5, 4. It will default back to letters, E, A. OK. Show place details. That's it, showing the place details. Click on the show place details and we'll click start. That's it.
After 250 yards, turn left onto Convidge Street and then make a U-turn.
That's it. That's how you do it. To knock navigation off, again 2 ways. Stop guidance there, or if you're on the home screen, you can just click there. That's it. You've knocked it off.